Have you ever felt like your finances are a three-ring circus? You're juggling bills, tracking expenses, and trying to save for that dream vacation, all while hoping you don't trip over a hidden fee. That's where personal finance apps like Mint come in. But with so many options out there, is Mint the only game in town? Let's dive into the ring and see who's competing with Mint for your financial crown. The OG, Mint by Intuit, the familiar friend. Mint is a classic for a reason. It's user-friendly, connects to a wide range of banks and accounts, and offers features like budgeting, bill tracking, and investment monitoring. It's like your financial cheerleader, keeping you on track and offering helpful nudges. Plus, it's free. But is free always the best option? The tech-savvy challenger, Personal Capital, for the data-driven. Personal Capital steps into the ring with a focus on long-term planning. It goes beyond budgeting and analyzes your investments, retirement savings, and even your net worth. Think of it as your financial advisor in app form. While it also has a free tier, some advanced features require a paid subscription. The goal-getter, you need a budget, in-app, the envelope system guru. In-app, you need a budget, throws out the traditional budgeting methods and introduces the envelope system. You assign specific amounts to different categories, like groceries or rent, and virtually spend from those envelopes. It's a great way to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. However, in-app does require a paid subscription. The socially savvy contender, Envelopes, Community Power. Envelopes combines the envelope system with a gamified approach. You set goals, track your progress, and even connect with friends for motivation and accountability. If you thrive on community support, Envelopes might be your champion. There's a free tier and paid options for additional features. The Budgeting Bootcamp, Pocket Guard, the no-nonsense option. Pocket Guard focuses on the essentials, budgeting and bill tracking. It uses real-time data to show you exactly how much you can spend without going over budget. It's straightforward, no frills, and free, making it a great choice for those who just want the basics. So, who should you choose? The best app depends on your financial goals and personality. Here's a quick breakdown. Mint, the user-friendly all-rounder for beginners. Personal Capital, for the data-driven investor who wants in-depth analysis. In-app, for those who want to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle with the envelope system. Envelopes, for those who thrive on community support and a gamified approach. Pocket Guard, for the no-nonsense budgeter who wants a free and simple solution. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Take some of these apps for a spin with their free trials, if available, and see which one feels most comfortable and helps you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.